Struck there. Monster struck. Monster struck. Oh, race car. Vroom vroom. Lot of cars.
This is the one I want to look at.
I was playing car racing on the PlayStation. I was staying way out.
Look at that. That's nice. Love that. Beautiful. Wow. I love this. Look. Look at that. It's beautiful here. Police rescue. Look. Oh, there's someone there floating. Wow. This is a police rescue. That's nice. It's a beautiful day for this.
Just got out of the channel. They were right in the middle of the boat channel.
Wow.
Hopefully. Okay, so there is unconscious and he's lying in the water.
Look at that. Rescuing someone. You're gonna be dead. There. Now rescued. It's hard.
I like what's full of jets.
It's hard, isn't it? There he is. He's rescued now. There he's going. There he is. There. It's good. It's very good.
Not actually awful.
Yeah? Really?
Oh!
Ay!
If on the marine rescue, get it?
Yeah.
Oh!
Been rescued.
Oh, they can't throw cans in the
Yeah. Beautiful day here, Sussex. So rescue boat.
That's Tally.
Approach her. 1092. H for hotel. Left to right side. Approach. 1092 hotel. Your lights are on.
You said you hadn't.
And one is a bright red flame.
Hello.
Jamie, Allen.
Where are they from?
Don't know. Yeah, that was great. I didn't get all that information. Well, I did. Yes. Maine.
We live in somewhere Robbo.
No.
Wow, I like this. Wow, look. Kenwood. It's beautiful.
Yeah, they're all sitting over in the fence, I reckon.
There is.
And then you just can just see like it's like
Are you buying it? I watched the demonstration of rescue.
I put a deposit on a Cobra.
Oh, really?
Did you see down that? Remember that movie we saw last
Yeah,
week?
did you put our house to it?
It's a kit one down in that far corner. It's absolutely beautiful.
Yeah, did you put the deposit, darling?
Yeah, 95,000 that's for it. So,
Ah, okay.
this car here, you see, this guy's built this thing. Like
Yeah.
that was a 4-door sedan to begin with.
Hmm.
He's from Sanctuary Point.
There's a monster truck there.
Yeah.
I sent it to Gail. Are you gonna go down there, darling?
Yeah.
You're gonna sit there? It's too hot.
Want me to get your chair?
Oh, it's fine.
Sure.
Yeah. You're gonna carry it back again? No. Ah. It's hot.
Well, I did. Okay.
So,
I remember the first one.
Big W.
Police.
Oh, God, it was.